Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Get Going Travel. We're getting close to leaving for our big trip, so we wanted to share our packing videos to outline what we're bringing on our 2-month journey all the way across the world to Australia. I'm not bringing as much stuff as Jenny, but I also have some key items that hopefully will make our journey a bit easier. If you haven't checked out Jenny's video, be sure to go give that a watch. She outlines what bags she's bringing, as well as the checked bag that we'll be sharing. I'll be bringing the same Osprey Daylight pack that Jenny's bringing. This will be my personal item, good for our GoPro gear as well as stuff to help sleep on the plane. And also, as you saw in the intro, for a carry-on, I'm bringing the away carry-on. So far it seems like a good bag. It's got really sturdy wheels. I also got the one with the removable battery, so I'm sure that'll come in handy. So where we're going on this 2-month trip is going to be mostly warm, so luckily we can pack light. So I just did some basic research on some travel blogs to get an idea on the best shirts, shorts, shoes, all that fun stuff. Getting started with my travel day uniform, I have to go with my favorite plain gray Allbirds. I got a new pair especially for this trip. So comfortable, so easy to slip on and off. For my travel day pants, I highly recommend the Uniqlo Easy Y jeans. They look like jeans, but they feel like sweatpants. I'll see how I do on all the flights with these. And of course, just a basic Uniqlo t-shirt and the Ex Officio boxer briefs are absolute winner. And socks. The rest of my wardrobe is just your basic shorts, some t-shirts, a couple of button downs if we go anywhere fancy, jacket in case it gets cold. Got some Chacos for the hot days, some cheap Old Navy flip-flops. So yeah, pretty basic wardrobe. Everything matches for the most part. Shorts, t-shirts, sandals, and some button-downs. We'll see how it goes. And then for my gear situation, like I said, I have the Osprey Daylight pack. I have the GoPro KC case to keep all our equipment. And then the GoPro itself is what I'm filming with, which will fit right in here. I've got my MacBook Air, nice and light, and a couple of hard drives to keep all our videos on. This is basically everything I'm packing. Some of it will go into the away carry-on, some of it will go into my Osprey Daylight, and then the rest will go into our checked bag. I'll see how much I can fit into the away carry-on. For most of our flights, there's a weight restriction, so a lot of it is going to have to go into our Osprey checked bag.
Perfect.
So no, that's not really how I'm going to pack my bag. I just wanted to give a quick example on the type of stuff that I'll be bringing on our trip. Something that Jenny forgot to mention in her video, we'll be doing laundry at our hostels and hotels we're staying at. So we got a sink stopper and some Tide detergent to bring along the way. And a clothesline that we're using right now, so I can't show in the video. Again, it was a pretty quick, high-level video. Once we get to Australia, we'll do another one of these to see what worked for us pretty well and what didn't work out so well. So keep an eye out for that one once we get to Australia. Also, be sure to follow our Instagram at Get Going Travel. We're leaving for our trip here in a few weeks, so be sure to go follow us there. We'll be posting a lot more frequent than on our YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.